welcome back. I'm the Craft Wizard and today we will be drawing Hedwig. So, for this drawing you will need a brown, a blue, a yellow, an orange, a red, a black and a pencil. Let's get started. So, to start with, draw a circular but not fully circled head, like this. Then off to the side, draw a zigzag wavy line, like that, and draw two lines from the middle of the page going up and out with the right one longer than the left, like that. So next, draw on the eyes. Like that. And add a beak onto the end of the curves, like that. Next, add some lines coming off the beak, like this, and coming out off the side. Like that. Next, come to the bottom of the head and start to add some wings. Coming down the left side to form a folded up wing. Like this, and add a few more. And make it sort of circular. Like so. Next, off the right side, draw some lines coming downwards. Make sure to keep them jagged to represent the feathers. And add in some other arrows pointing downwards, like that. Next, draw two curves coming downwards and a long scaled leg coming off them. Like this. Then draw some curves, toes around a pole, which will be his stand, like this. Next, add some back tail feathers that come down under the pole as well. Like that. Next, continue the line of his perch, like this, and draw some nice curves at each of the ends, with a sort of smile semicircle on the bottom. Like this. And finish the stand by drawing another one of the curves coming off the bottom, finishing with a circular layered base, like that. Then on the eyes, make two parts, like this, and then next to it draw a letter like this, and a potion bottle behind. Then we're all done for the drawing. So you should have something like this. Next, take out your black and add some dots on some of the wings of feathers on the wing. Like this. Then, with your yellow and orange, colour in the eyes, the legs, and the stand. Adding in a bit of brown as well. Then also adding some brown onto the acceptance letter, along with some yellow to make it look old and aged. And the cork on the bottle. And a red seal on the letter. Then to finish it off, colour the beak in yellow and the potion in blue. So there we go, you're finished Hedwig. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon. Bye. As always, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and remember, keep crafting!